Something big is happening on YouTube right now, and most creators don't even know about it. Some new channels are growing really fast. For example, one channel started just a few months ago and already has almost 76,000 subscribers. The video got over 6.6 million views in just 2 months. And it's not just one video, every video this creator posted quickly went viral, each gaining thousands to millions of views in just a few days, showing how powerful and trending this niche really is. If you look closer at this channel, you'll find something even more interesting. The channel was created just a few months ago, and in that short time it has already earned $5,000 just from uploading 38 videos. This new channel got 1.3 million views and 14K subscribers in just the last month. A huge achievement for a brand new channel. And it's not the only one. Here's another channel that started even earlier, showing that this niche is exploding right now. The earlier uploaded video got 1.9 million views. If you check the channel, you'll see that every video was uploaded within just 1 to 2 months. What's even more shocking is that the channel was created only 2 months ago, and it's already monetized. When this happens, it usually means the topic is new, interesting, and the YouTube algorithm is pushing it hard. This is a great chance to start a channel while the opportunity is wide open. If you put in the work, you could build something big. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a channel in this niche using only free AI tools. You won't need to spend any money. I'll show you every step and make sure your channel has the best chance to grow. I'll even reveal the exact formula these viral channels are using, so you can create your own original version. First, you need to create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. Watch this video, and you'll learn everything, including how to set up your channel with a logo, banner, and some secret tips. Once your channel is ready, it's time to create your first video. We'll use ChatGPT to generate 5 unique video ideas for your facts and psychology channel. In the ChatGPT prompt box, paste the prompt provided in the description below, then click Generate. ChatGPT will give you several video ideas. Pick one idea from the list. Then, in the same ChatGPT chat, paste the second prompt. This prompt tells ChatGPT to write a full script that is easy to follow, engaging, and natural. Make sure to add the idea you chose into the prompt. I'm choosing this idea from the list. After that, click Generate, and within a few seconds, your full video script will be ready to use. If you're not satisfied with the script, just ask ChatGPT to generate a better one. You can repeat this until you get a script you really like. Now we'll turn the script into a voiceover. For this, I'm going to use Speechma, but you can also use 11 Labs if you prefer. Go to Speechma and paste your script into the prompt box. Below the box, you'll see different voice options. Choose the one that best fits your script.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma.
I'm choosing this one. Then, enter the generated code in the box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality voiceover ready for your video.
Have you ever sent a text and then immediately wished you could take it back? You reread it again and again. You analyze the punctuation, the emojis, the timing, and suddenly, a simple message feels like a psychological crime scene.
Next, you'll need visuals for your video. You can use Nano Banana or any other AI image generator tool. If you want a free option, try PicLumen. In this tutorial, I'll be using Nano Banana, but you can follow along with any tool you have. Go back to your script and add the given prompt. If you click Generate, ChatGPT may give you many prompts at once, but the quality might not be good enough. To get better results, copy a section of your script, paste it with the prompt, and then click Generate. ChatGPT will provide a detailed and high-quality prompt this way. Now, go to Gemini AI and select the Create Image option. Next, add your first image prompt. Once the prompt is added, click Generate to create your image. Once the image is ready, download it. Then, move on to the next one and follow the same process to generate all the images. Make sure to maintain the correct sequence while creating the images. If you're not satisfied with an image, you can regenerate it to get better results. Remember, there will be many images to create, so it's important to stay organized. While downloading, number each image carefully to keep them in the correct order. This way, you won't mix up the sequence, and it will be much easier to use them when editing your video. Once you have all your visuals, it's time to edit your video. We'll be using CapCut for this. Import your voiceover and graphics. Then cut out any gaps in the voiceover to make it sound smoother. Arrange your images to match the voiceover perfectly. You can also add transitions, effects, and captions to make your video more engaging and professional. Remember, editing is what makes your video eye-catching. So take your time to make the visuals look better and more attractive. The effort you put into editing will keep viewers engaged and make your video stand out.
Have you ever sent a text and then immediately wished you could take it back? You reread it again and again. You analyze the punctuation, the emojis, the timing, and suddenly, a simple message feels like a psychological crime scene. Here's the psychology behind people who overthink text messages after sending them.